Guess what? It's Friday, and guess what that means?
Well, what?
It means cocktail time. Be excited.
Yay!
I thought this was your favourite day of the week.
Well, it is.
But it's our last one. I know you're a bit sad because it's the last cocktail I'm ever going to make you.
What's that? I can juggle. No, I can't. Go on. Come on, let's make a cocktail. What are we doing?
Alright, so we are making the cocktail that Tom introduced Lee to, and then got her completely pissed, let's face it.
It was her first cocktail and now she's an addict like the rest of us, which is great. Yeah.
It is. And look, it's a really simple one. Again, it's a shaker and a one glass. So all you need is a shaker, martini glass. We're making a French martini.
Ooh.
Ooh la la.
No, you go oui-oui. That's my French.
Okay, now all the French people have just turned off.
Oh, hello. Oh, I love France. That's my favourite place.
Alright, so all you need is vodka.
Yeah.
Pineapple juice.
Look, and Chambord.
Chambord. And do you know what Chambord is?
Well, it says here, please drink it wisely, and it's not safe if you're pregnant. Yeah.
Like most alcohol.
Well,
it's actually a black raspberry liqueur.
A black raspberry liqueur. It says it right there on the bottle. Okay, come on, what are we doing?
Alright,
okay,
so,
hang on. I've got to get the video ready.
You think after 11 weeks you would know what to do by now?
Hang on, it takes me a while to figure out what button to press. Yeah.
Alright, so all you do, grab your shaker.
Hang on, that's my job. See, that's my job. There's ice I prepared earlier. Oh yeah, go like this film.
And we get the ice in the shaker.
Yeah.
Is always a really good point.
Okay.
Alright, then what you want is just a splash of vodka.
Oh, splash. A bit more, come on.
It's a splash.
It's not making it feel like toddlers.
Right. You just need a splash of Chambord.
Ooh, that's nice. It smells nice.
Has great aroma. And then just a splash of pineapple juice.
Way too much pineapple juice. More alcohol, less juice.
And like I say every time, there's no exact science with this stuff. It's really how you like it. If you want it a bit, a bit more fruit, add more pineapple juice.
I'm really good at it. Watch. Oh, no.
Can you do it one hand?
Yeah, look.
Go on. Oh, God.
I was watching Cocktail this morning.
With Tom Cruise.
Oh, I wasn't really. You're watching that shit.
Alright, so, have your martini. Shake it.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
That's going to go frosty.
It's cold on my hands. Look, I'll show you.
Oh, bastard. Okay. I can see this going everywhere.
Hang on, just wait. I've got to video this bit.
Oh, okay.
See, my hand's so cold now, and I've got to stick it somewhere warm. Yeah.
Don't even think about it.
Yeah, well, you've got a cold heart, so it wouldn't be on there.
Alright, and then all you do is strain that in.
No.
No?
Oh, shit. I don't have enough storage. He has promised now for like 3 months to fix my phone so I can get into it. But like normal, disappointment, like everything else, that's okay.
Alright.
Look, and I've got little pineapple wedges that I prepared earlier in the kitchen.
So you just need to put one on there.
No, I like 2.
You like 2, do you?
Yeah. See, very nice. And I even put little slits in it. Like that, like they're talking, like Pac-Man. Now I've ruined that
Now
one.
you're seeing your age, more like it.
And,
Alright, so now you're going to have to carry that over and show people what it looks like.
I'll take a photo. Ooh, it's nice.
And there you have a French martini.
This is a sculling one.
No,
Good for early. Nice for breakfast. See, it comes with fruit.
Sculling. Drink in moderation.
Yeah,
not moderately drink.
I might only moderately drink one. So it doesn't matter how quick I drink that one. Yeah, that's judgy.
Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, post on our socials.
Oh yeah.
Wayne and Tom.
Cocktails, TV.
We want to see how your cocktails are turning out. And obviously you can go back there and see all of the other recipes that we've done.
Yeah, watch last week with Lee and Keith because he was so rude to her. Yeah.
I was rude to her?
No, we were rude to her.
You called her a bitch and asked her to flash her tits.
No, I didn't.
You did.
I asked did Lee like one little finger or did Keith like a finger?
Anyway, have a nice weekend guys. Bye.
Bye.